2, you'll go to lane 3. Alright, hey, your team will be evaluated on all parts of this lane. Your time is never in the following: an Accio sled, a mannequin, 1 tourniquet, the hypothermia blanket, and movement to the turnaround point. All team members must cross the turnaround point. Alright, check the signs of life. You have signs of life. Put it into the joint, just put it up and over and don't tighten it down. Alright. Hey, okay.
We're trying to get your inch leg. Look cold.
In the unforgiving cold of Fort Drum, New York, soldiers push their limits in a trial of blood, ice, and endurance. This is not just training. It is a resurrection of the past. The U.S. Army's 10th Mountain Division brings back one of World War II's deadliest preparations, D-Series 2025. D-Series is more than a competition. It is a brutal reminder of the sacrifices made by the original 10th Mountain Division, men who once fought through snow-covered peaks to break the German defenses in Italy during 1944. Today, soldiers from across the 10th Mountain Division and Fort Drum face grueling medical casualty evacuation lanes, racing against time while battling the bitter winter. Every step, every movement echoes the hardships of those who came before them. The original D-Series of 1944 was no ordinary exercise. It was the crucible that forged warriors for the harshest battles of the Second World War. Soldiers endured freezing nights, relentless marches, and unforgiving terrain, all to prepare for a mission that would decide the fate of nations. Now, in 2025, this legacy burns bright once again. These men and women are tested under the same elements: snow, ice, exhaustion, and pain. Not for glory, not for recognition, but to honor history, to carry the torch of resilience.
Begin. Tighter.
Tighter. Go on.
You ain't got.
Try to keep your legs a little straighter.
There it goes.
It's going to be like 5-6 hours.
Was that easier?
Yeah.
You...
I mean, they're doing pretty good.
Lieutenant Santiago, we're in the weapons lane.
Alright, you have 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Clear the
to
weapon,
complete this
take it
engine
apart,
test or weapon.
put it back together.
Zeros. Yep, you're good to go.
Five-round magazine is the 300-meter firing point. You'll be given the command to lock and load your magazine, then the command to magazine to the safety. Once all fires have been cleared by safeties, you'll move up to the 200-meter firing point. You'll be cleared by your safety and then hand in your empty magazine to the safety. Once all fires have been cleared by safety, you'll move up.
Lane 1, lane 2, lane 3. If you need to go to the lane, they'll give you your magazine fire, and then move to the next lane. That's it. 300 meter, 200 meter, 100 meter. That's it. You know what you're talking about.